Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a discover only campaign in Google Ads. So let's say you want to only target the discover feed on Android. Here is how you can do it. You are going to go straight to the point, but before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's start. So we're going to log into our Google Ads. We're going to create a new campaign. And we are going to say, let's create a campaign without guidance. Here, in this case, under campaign type, we're going to select demand gen. We're going to continue here. Now, I'm not going to take you through the entire setup just to save time. You're going to give your campaign a name, select the campaign goal, the conversions, and so forth. Eventually, you will need to customize your ad group. You're going to select your location targeting, your language targeting, and you are going to reach this place that is called channels. So you're going to open this box, you're going to say, let me choose, and you are going to deselect everything other than discover. So you're only going to check discover under let me choose, and this means that this is going to be a discover only Google Ads campaign. And that's it. From there, you're going to continue. You're going to create single image ads or maybe carousel ads, my recommendations for discover, or if you want, you can also use video ads, and you are going to publish your campaign. So once again, we're going to create a demand gen campaign. Once we start and we reach the ad group level, we're going to configure everything. There is this option that is called channels. We're going to say, let me choose. We're only going to check discover, and from there we're going to upload our ads and we're going to send the campaign live, and this campaign is going to be a discover only Google Ads campaign. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.